Hey, Scentsy Fanatics! It's Jackie Slaughterback, your independent Scentsy consultant here. Just wanted to show you guys the August Whiff Box. I know it's a little late in the month, but hey, I love to share it. I actually get one every month for myself. I know it sounds kind of silly, but I like to get the little surprise, to see what what everybody else is getting type of thing. So why not? So whiff boxes are a monthly thing that Scentsy does. If you don't know what a whiff box is, it is $30 plus tax and shipping. So I think it comes to like $37.45 because it's $5 shipping. What's nice is it gives you a chance to try different things, to try new things, to kind of be surprised. Now, whiff boxes, they don't change through the month, so they're always, everything that's in August will always be the same. But they can go on back order because we can run out of them. So if you're looking at doing a whiff box, I suggest you either put it in your Scentsy Club or go ahead and order it right away on the 1st. If it's in the Scentsy Club, it would come and run every month, like the second week. If you have to order it, it's something you order. So unlike some of these subscription boxes that you have to remember to turn on and off, this is more, you got to remember to turn it on if it's not in club. So, oh, we got fun stuff. I got to save those. So every whiff box has a theme. Oh, this is the pamphlet that comes in the box. And, oh, neat. It's like another place for you to put the lists of things you want from Scentsy, or maybe you want to buy for friends to keep track of. The new catalog is amazing. If you haven't gotten one from me, want to get on the list, just send me a message. We can get that taken care of for you. Now, mind you, we are here in Iowa, so it is very warm here. As a matter of fact, I think it's heat advisory today, so it's in the hundreds with the heat. But so all of our packages come like this, the bars, and they have what do you call it? Ice packs in them. So they're packed to be able to hopefully not melt. So as you can see, ice packs. I have a lot of ice packs. So in this, wow, this is a different. In this month's whiff box, oh, it's 4 of the new scents. So we've got the Autumn Road Trip scent. And I went over these in new releases. I did a video of that. So all the new releases would be in that. So Autumn Road Trip is new. Apple and Oats is another new one. Oh, that just smells like, I can't think, is it apple Cheerios, apple crunch, almond and croissant. This is another good one, but I love almond. Oh, and we got the scent of the month, aloe vera and ivy. That goes with the Bless Your Home warmer. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, Around the Campfire Scent Circle. Can't go wrong with that one. That was one of my husband's favorites. Oh, the new catalog is in here. That's a kind of a cool, see, you take the new catalog with your list, and you're going to write down what you want out of it and what you want to buy for friends and family. If you ever want to smell the scents, you just have to pop me a message and I'll get those over to you. Let's see. Oh, if you have never tried our Scentsy soak, you do not know what you are missing. Okay? It's amazing. Oh my gosh, it is just amazing. I have to hide it from my grandson. This one is in Cozy Cardigan. So our whole body line, we got Cozy Cardigan scents. And let me remind you what Cozy Cardigan smells like. It is, how did I lose it? It's a fresh scent. So it's layers of soft suede, blushing rose, and amber silk. Oh, this is my daughter's favorite scent. So, yeah, I'm going to be hiding this one because this is my whiff box. And then, other than the fun little pieces, we got a sample of lemon verbena dish soap. Oh, 2 of them. Dish soap is also amazing. I really, really like the dish soap. But, so, boxes are $30 plus tax and shipping comes to $37.45. It's different every month. It always has at least the $30 product value, if not more, in it, which this is actually more if I added it up. It'd be closer to 40. And then samples, the new catalog, the little list, and it comes in a nice box. Great gift idea to send to a friend. Hey, you're having a bad day, send them a Scentsy Whiff box. Can't go wrong, right? So, it's scented with love, as always. There we have today's video. I'm sure I'll be back on. I've got tons of boxes coming this week, so we're going to be doing some unboxings. A lot of the new warmers are in these party boxes, so I cannot wait to see them. Normally we would have seen them at Scentsy Family Reunion in person, but since we were virtual, we haven't. So some of these I haven't even seen yet. So stay tuned, stay safe, stay healthy, and talk soon.